Antarctica, Earth's icy frontier, stretches silent and vast, a continent locked in frost for millions of years. Beneath its surface, secrets sleep, hidden under miles of ice. In 2025, that silence breaks. Melting ice, accelerated by a warming world, reveals something no one saw coming, a discovery that ignites wonder and dread. Is it a lost relic, a buried anomaly, or a warning from the deep past? Welcome to Lost Enigma Hub. Today we plunge into Antarctica's melting ice, chasing a 2025 find that rewrites what we know. What lies beneath and why now? Let's crack the ice and see. Antarctica's ice has been melting faster since the 21st century. Scientists clock 280 billion tons lost yearly, NASA says, driven by rising seas and hotter air. West Antarctica, the vulnerable flank, thins quickest. Pine Island Glacier retreats miles since 2010. In January 2025, a heatwave hits, 50 degrees Fahrenheit above normal, melts surface ice into rivers. Then a drone spots it, a dark shape 100 feet long jutting from a crevasse near the Ross Ice Shelf. News erupts, X lights up, a find no one predicted in a land no one claims. What is it? Early guesses swirl. A 2025 expedition led by glaciologist Dr. Elena Voss calls it artificial, straight edges, metallic glint, not ice or rock. Photos leak, a structure, maybe a wreck, half buried in millennia-old snow. Some whisper Operation High Jump, a 1947 U.S. mission, left something behind. Others point to Nazi bases, secret World War II outposts lost to time. Skeptics say it's natural, a basalt slab, a trick of light. Samples head to labs, results pending, but the ice keeps thawing, hinting at more. Theory 1. A lost civilization. Antarctica wasn't always ice. 34 million years ago, it bloomed with forests, fossils prove it. Could an ancient culture have thrived, built there, then frozen over? Pyre Rees's 1513 map fuels it, shows an ice-free coast, some say from older sources. The 2025 find, if man-made, fits, a relic of a forgotten age. Critics scoff, ice cores show no humans, just penguins and seals, but believers cling, a city under snow waits. Theory 2. Modern wreckage. A plane, a sub, a Cold War toy maybe. Operation High Jump sent 4,700 men, 13 ships. Crashed planes litter the ice. One lost and 47 fits the size. Or Nazis, fleeing 1945, built bases, rumors of U-boat caches linger. The 2025 object's metal pings radar, rust hints at steel, not stone. Yet age stumps, ice locks relics in time, dating's tough. Military archives stay mum, ex-post scream cover-up, a secret thawing out. Theory 3. Extraterrestrial trace. UFO buffs leap, Antarctica's a hotspot, 2016 ice anomaly, 2025's find aligns. A craft, a probe, crashed eons ago, now surfacing. Ice preserves, they argue, like a freezer for alien tech. Scientists roll eyes, no signals, no alloys beyond Earth's, just hype. Still, April 2025 drone footage zooms, odd angles spark chatter, a shape too perfect for nature. The thaw accelerates, more peaks out, believers pray, skeptics wait. If it's real, 2025 shifts gears. A wreck means history rewrites, high jump logs open, Nazi tales flesh out. A lost city flips archaeology, digs race against melt. Alien? Science scrambles, SETI tunes in nation-state claims. Ice loss speeds up, 3 inches of sea rise since 2000, this finds tip of a buried iceberg. Risks loom, looters eye it, storms batter crews, preservation fights time. April 2025 plans a bigger dig, robots, subs, a global watch begins. Or it's nothing. Labs say basalt, a fluke, hype dies by June. Climate keeps warming, ice melts on, no secrets, just water. Scientists shrug, focus shifts, another anomaly fades. Yet the thaw won't stop, 2025's heatwave a taste, more waits below. Mystery lingers, what's next, a fluke or a flood of finds? Antarctica guards its own, melting slow, revealing fast. April 2025, Antarctica's melting ice drops a bombshell, a find no one expected. Civilization, wreckage, or cosmic hint, it teases from the frost. Climate cracks the vault, secrets spill, truth waits. At Lost Enigma Hub, we chase the edge, the frozen unknown, the next clue. Real or ruse, what's your call? Share below, subscribe for more because under Antarctica's thaw, the past wakes up.